Oh, look at all of these cucumbers. They've got to be put up. Got cucumbers coming out the ears. So at this point, I'm going to chop these up because we're making pickled relish. Here we have all of the cucumbers are cut up. We got to sprinkle salt and turmeric on it. But I wanted to show you this little deal. This is called the Cut Clean Cutter here. She's a vintage, but boy, that thing goes and goes, and it has a stopper here. So I basically will hook it here so that when I'm cutting them, I put it in there. Now I've already washed and cleaned her up, but as you can see, we're ready for our turmeric or salt. And then once this soaks a couple of hours in cold water, I'll add onion. If you want a chopper, a cutter that does it all, this is your go-to. It is sturdy, durable, it's made of metal, and this one has an enamel finish to it, and you get several of these blades that lock into place. 18 pints of nothing but good, wholesome, homemade pickled relish. And I used that Nelko printer for those labels. Check them out. Talk about in just a few seconds. If you don't have one of those and you can afford it, it's the best $25 you'll spend.